All right, so we've vacuumed up and we've got a couple of these removed, so we can see that, you know, these came out really well. However, there are a couple of things that we want to talk about. This has been, the fasteners have been taken off. However, you'll notice here that we did not cut all the way through. In fact, we left, in this case the polycarb, but we left that last bit of material, right, the last couple thousandths of this plastic cover were not cut through when we were cutting. All right, so from an accuracy standpoint, we missed the last couple of thou, which isn't a huge deal when we're talking about you know, this protective coating, but it is a big deal if we're a couple of thou short on cutting through aluminum or cutting through wood, because that can be hard. Then we're going to have to sit here and try to figure out a way to cut through it or have to recut through it. And so it's important. Now, why did that happen? Well, if we're looking underneath here, the spoil board's pretty wrecked. It's got a lot of, you can see that there's material still sitting underneath here. And so this is probably a little uneven by a few thousandths of an inch, because the material from the spoil board gets pulled up when it's getting cut, just like you can see that it's furled up on this piece. It's all getting pulled up, so everything gets pulled up just a little bit by a few thou, and that's how we get that, that problem. So one of the things that we need to absolutely be careful about is making sure that when we're cutting through, if the spoil board's been used a lot, in the case of over here, you can see we've cut through a lot of pieces. We may need to have the tool go further through the board or the material, the aluminum, the board, the plastic, so that we don't end up with these problems. Because if this is a couple of thou of aluminum, we're not going to be able to remove that, and then we're going to have to recut, and it's just going to take a lot more time. So I just wanted to point that out in terms of our process. The next video is our final video, and it's our cleanup after we've removed everything. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to take the remainder of these pieces off, take off the spoil board, take this sheet off the spoil board, and then we're going to do the pack up and clean up so that we're prepared to go home and be done for the rest of the day. All right, hopefully all is well, and we can chat soon. See you at the next video.